matches outside. Time ticking away, seconds away, I think, from glory. Lyle goes by one, swings the play inside the penalty area again. Oh, almost gave it away, Williams. Lyle holds the possession, puts the play inside the penalty area, chested down by McLean, and Smith coming in. Lyle for Jamaica College goes by one, lays it back up, even go. Lyle picks it up again. He's 14 years old. Shortest man is the player. Lyle. Aiken. Lyle for Jamaica College. Still Lyle puts it now on the left to McLean. Lyle. Almost everybody's back. Four Mannings. Husman still looking for Williams. Broken up. Lyle for Jamaica College. Lyle puts it back at the half line. Williams was taking to do that. Ball comes inside the penalty area. Again. A shot is blocked. Trolls. Lyle gives it away. Well, they give it right back to Jamaica College. That's long range effortless. 15 to 35 minutes. Williams is fires. Lyle goes put away. Lyle controls, turns beautifully. Lay inside, long side. The same Williams puts it back to Lyle. Burst of speed by Lyle. Holds on the play. Turns. Lyle could play. Controlling his lock. Lyle puts it to Lyle. Lyle once again dances. Pulls it across the face of goal to Lyle. Lyle first shot's brilliant. And across the face of goal. Looking for Lyle. Lyle latches on. Turns the corner. Goes. Lyle inside the penalty area. Went by one. Leaves it off to Excelsior. After 40 minutes. Lyle changes to start Stewart. Inside to Lyle. Turns away from Williams. Puts it for. And Taylor. Given College. Corner taken. Headed towards goal. Hits the left upright. Lyle controls. Swings it back inside. Head again. Play forward. Lyle for Jamaica College. Swings the play forward, looking for Taylor. Overhit. Too far. Only to find Williams. But won by Lyle. Lyle overhead kick. Brilliant. Chested down. Man who just came on the park. Showing a bit of skill though, McLean. To Sims. To Lyle. Goes forward for Jamaica College. Puts it down. There's to Taylor. And he puts it back on the left to Lyle. Tips it forward. Looking for the run of Campbell inside the penalty area. Lyle lays it off to Howell. Back to Lyle. Tips it forward. Looking for Taylor. Chested down. And Williams. Brilliant move this by Eccleston. Williams stopped in his tracks. Here comes now Lyle. Lyle tips it. Top of the penalty. Taylor. Lyle. Tips it forward. Throws it to Lyle. His options on the left hand side. He goes on the left to introduce McLean. Broken up. Lyle for Jamaica College goes by one. Still Lyle of JC takes a shot. It's